Hello everyone, welcome back to the second Xhtml tutorial. So in the first tutorial, I already told you what is the application that you require to learn Xhtml. In the second tutorial, we're going to learn about tags. Now, what are tags? First of all, in the tags, the first thing that you need to learn is the two signs, the less than sign and the greater than sign. You need to remember them always. And one more thing, that is the forward slash. Starting with, first of all, you all need to create a folder that is named xhtml or html as per your wish. I'm going to name it xhtml, and just on the desktop you can create it right anywhere you want. So now we'll just take an overview of the application that we had previously installed in the first tutorial. Starting with, this is the application, the Notepad++. Just open the application, and yeah, this is the thing that is going to appear on your desktop. Now, what is the first thing that you need to do? That is the main question. Starting with, I already told you that you need to know three things, that are the less than and the greater than sign and the forward slash sign. Yeah, these are the three main things that you all need to keep in your mind when you are learning coding. And first of all, there is a special kind of tag. I already told you what a tag is. Tag includes these three main parts, in which, and in between the tags, all our coding stuff goes inside it. Okay, starting with the first special tag that we're going to learn is exclamatory mark. Like, you can just insert both the tags and then insert this exclamation mark and write doc type HTML. And yeah, this is the first special tag. Now, what is doc type? What is doc type tag? It is a special tag which is used in every web page once. It is only going to be used once in your web page, and that is all about the doc type tag. Now, secondly, what is the forward slash used for? Forward slash is used for ending a tag. Like this, these are the two tags that we've drawn. And the first tag is HTML, and in the second tag, slash HTML. So these are the two tags that we've created. And yeah, in between these two tags, all your coding stuff is going to go. Yes, all your coding stuff, another tags, many new tags that we're going to learn. For this time, we just need to know the greater than sign, the less than sign, and the forward slash. And one more thing that we've learned today is the doc type HTML tag. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video. That is gonna come soon. Thank you. Stay safe.